Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up iCloud email with Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you want to manage all your emails in one place instead of switching between different apps. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load in all your existing emails and get the app ready for the setup process. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward, as you'll need access to your account settings to add the new email. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, navigate to the File menu. You'll find this located at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Go ahead and click on the File tab. This is where Outlook keeps most of its important account management features. After clicking File, the menu will open and you'll see a right side panel appear. Look for an option called Account Settings. You'll notice it's actually a drop-down menu, so click on it and a list of options will appear. From this list, click on Account Settings again. This will open a new window dedicated to managing all your email accounts within Outlook. Now you're in the Account Settings window. From here, make sure you're on the Email tab at the top. This is where all your connected email accounts are displayed. To add your iCloud email, simply click on the New button. This will bring up a login window where you can add a new email account to Outlook. Here's where things get really simple. All you need to do is type in your iCloud email address in the field provided. One of the great things about Outlook is that it automatically sets up IMAP and server addresses for various email domains, including iCloud. This means you don't have to manually configure any complicated server settings. Just enter your email and verify it by signing in with your iCloud account credentials. Outlook will handle the rest of the technical setup in the background. Once you've entered your email and password, Outlook will connect to iCloud's servers and begin syncing your emails. You might need to wait a moment while this process completes. After the connection is established, all your iCloud emails will start appearing in your Outlook inbox alongside your other accounts. And that's it. You've successfully set up your iCloud email with Outlook, allowing you to manage all your messages from a single, convenient location. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.